All right, babe, good luck. Love you. We can't start a video like that, can we? Should I tell them that we were at Lake Norman and we stayed in a tiny house and that... No? Yeah, they probably don't care about that. All right, babe, good luck. Love you. Straight ahead, there's a bathroom and a washing machine and dryer. Let me give you the full tour. Here's one end. Here's the seating area. We're gonna walk to the other side of the property, which is right here. So one thing that Julie likes to do before a race is to go check out the spot.
Hey, how's it already?
The day before, we're gonna go see if we can see how long it takes to get there from here.
19 minutes.
She's a super planner.
I didn't even know I wanted to go there already.
I'm not. But we're gonna head out. Okay, we got a little bit of time to kill, so we are gonna go to the zoo. Okay guys, I legit almost lost my drone today. It was a bad day. Me and Julie got into town up here at Lake Norman for a race, 5K, 10K, half marathon. Julie's running the half, I'm running the 5K because I'm a slacker. We went over to a pretty area around Lake Norman. I took off, the drone goes up, I have some good footage, I spin around, it's pretty good, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just says Geo Services, something or another, connection lost, and it just cuts off as far as the connection to my, my controller. It says auto home, and it just shoots straight up in the air, which is what it's supposed to do. So when I took off out from under this tree and came up, the auto home, or the home point, was set underneath the tree. So it started coming down and it kept saying aircraft disconnected, and I could not take it back over, and it was coming straight down on top of this tree. Luckily, last minute, by the skin of my teeth, this drone decides that it wants to reconnect to my controller, and I literally missed the tree. I bet it was a couple, maybe an inch, that I almost crashed my drone, and the tree was at least 60 feet high. Like, the trip was starting out bad already. I was able to take it over, but it was going into auto landing, so it was still trying to land. So it's DJI. Come on now, we got to do something better here. Woo! Statista.com says the number of participants in running in the U.S. is around 47.4 million. I've seen other websites say it was around 67 million, but we'll say it's somewhere around 50 million just to be conservative. Money raised at Relay for Life fundraising events have been $407.5 million. The number of 5Ks in the U.S. totals 17,000. Also, according to Statista.com, 64% of Americans like running early in the AM, where 39% of Americans like running in the early evening. And then, of course, there's a smattering of other percentages for mid-morning, noon, early afternoon, mid-afternoon, and late evening. The number of marathon finishers in the U.S. is 507,600. The population in the U.S. is 325.7 million, steadily climbing. This makes the number of marathon finishers in the U.S. 0.1% of the U.S.'s population. My wife happens to be one of those 507,600 people that finished a marathon. Yeah, babe. First place in our age category. 10K. Okay, it's 5 whatever in the morning. It's race day. Yay!
Actually 6:07.
Sorry. 6:07. I've been corrected. Okay, we've been up since 5 whatever in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's officially race day. Are you feeling ready?
Yeah. No.
Yes, no. We got a yes, no. Good luck. Go! Alright, so we're waiting on Julie to finish the half marathon.